How to download Valorant in your PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can download Valorant in your PC. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is open up a web browser and simply search for download Valorant. And after you search for download Valorant, you'll find this website that is playvalorant.com. Head over there, and right here you'll see the download option. Tap on download, and the download should begin. As you can see, the exe file will get downloaded in few seconds. After it installs, you can then start setting it up. So this is the first way. An alternative way is if you have the Epic Games launcher, you can open that up, let it load. So let's let it load, and while this loads, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So after it opens up, you can then log in into your Epic Games, and after you log in into your Epic Games, all you have to do is search for your Valorant like you did in here, like we'll do in here by searching Valorant, and then simply download it. The process is same. After you've downloaded the exe file, that let me just do that again. After you've downloaded the exe file, open that up and then start setting it up like you normally do. So according to your device and according to your specifications of your device, make sure that you select a good settings for the game and not quite high so that your laptop does not start lagging and stuff. And yeah, that's how you download Valorant. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.